All right, prime time. Here's a big one. This is the video to find the winner of the signed LeBron James jersey. We'll check the time, May 15th at 7:05 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have May 15th at 7:05 p.m. There's the list of our 100 entries. So you guys can see all the entries there. 100 entries. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. That'll work 8 times. Whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. And it is Sam P. Spot 81 is your winner. So, Sam, please get with Jay to collect your LeBron. There is our verification code, our timestamp. Once again, May 15th, 7:06 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.